Imagine you are having a great time relaxing by the beach when you receive a message indicating you have earned $30. A little while later, another $30 is sent to you. With the help of this amazing opportunity that I'm going to give you, you can finally achieve your dream. Everything is very simple, so you don't need any special abilities or technical knowledge. I'll show you a free, fully automated program at the end of this video that will handle all the work so you can keep getting paid repeatedly. All of this is made possible by legally utilizing a $300 million hidden platform that a few people are aware of, so that you may start earning money and experiencing the freedom you've always deserved. Now be sure to pay close attention for the next few minutes as I'll reveal everything to you. I want you to visit Bing.com first, which will direct you to this page on Microsoft Bing platform. Bing is a search engine where you can enter various terms and look up various information online. It functions quite similarly to Google. The next thing you should do is type the word articles into the search box. Based on your search terms, Microsoft Bing then automatically discovers various articles. Take a look at these search results for the term article and then click through the various articles you can discover on Bing. Let's use this one as an example. You can read the complete article that we found on Bing by scrolling down. Now, I'd like to show you another website, SEOclerks.com, on the second step. You can earn money by writing and submitting articles on this website. Don't worry, I'll show you how to easily copy and paste other people's Bing articles at the end of this video, so you won't need to write any articles yourself. You'll receive payment from this website without having to do anything. You do not need to write, possess any special abilities, or even speak English well. Nobody has ever discussed this method, which is one of the greatest. Now I want you to look at these illustrations. You have a ton of options to earn money online just by writing articles, and SEOclerks.com will pay you for it. I'll show you how to create a free account in a moment, how to use Microsoft Bing to make your first $30, and how to get paid even if you don't write anything at all. But first, allow me to introduce to you Conquer.io, another place where you can make money from free Bing articles. When you search for content creation, more opportunities to earn money online through Bing articles can be found here. One thing I want you to keep in mind about Conquer is that they pay out a little bit less than SEO Clerks. To copy and paste Bing articles and earn money from both of these websites, you can still sign up on SEOclerks.com and Conquer.io. I'll start demonstrating how you can copy and paste Bing articles to start earning money in step 3. You can find a variety of news stories and articles on the Bing platform by returning to their homepage and selecting News from the menu that appears when you click on the 3 small dots. Politics, health, or news and entertainment are typically among the newest and most talked about issues. Under the news section, you can copy and paste a variety of ideas for articles and topics. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, if you want to concentrate on the business category or business articles on the Bing website, I want you to go to another website called eZineArticles.com. You can use much of the content on this website that is copyright free as your own. You can see article categories as you scroll down below. So all you have to do is click on the business category below to navigate to that section of the website. These are all the articles that you are permitted to copy without violating the copyright. Now take a look at all of these titles. Each one is a well-written, finished piece that you can sell on Conquer.io and SEOclerks.com, but with a small tweak that I'll demonstrate. There are thousands of different articles that you can download for free from this website and sell on Conquer.io and SEOclerks.com, but you cannot simply copy and paste those articles because no one will buy them. Because of this, I'd like to share with you a specific technique and free software that you can use to transform such articles into fresh, original ones. You can then simply copy and paste those Bing articles to earn money on Conquer and SEOclerks.com. Say for instance, like clicking on this article will send you to a website where you can copy and paste the entire article. I'll demonstrate this incredible totally free program called prepostseo.com. From there, simply scroll down until you see Article Rewriter. There you can copy and paste the content into the box to have it automatically rewrite the entire article and give it a unique voice. The box where you must copy and paste the articles can be found when you scroll down below. You have to return to the articles and you're going to highlight everything and then click on copy. Then return to the software and paste the entire article into the box. As you can see, there are 512 words in this article. Since we're choosing the language, let's just go with English for now. Simply look for the green Rewrite Article button down below. I want you to press this button, which will enable the software to begin completely rewriting the article. When you scroll down below, you can see that they completely rewrote the content to make it new, fresh, and different in less than 5 seconds. These highlighted phrases and sentences represent all of the adjustment that they made for us. With the help of this free program, you can easily copy and paste this brand new Bing article. You can click on the Join button at the top to create a free account on SEOclerks.com. Just enter in your username, email address, and password. Then click on the Continue button. It's pretty easy. Well, the sign-up process for the second website, Conquer, is quite similar. You can earn money there by simply clicking the Join button at the top. Simply enter your information and press the green Sign Up button. Now all you have to do is go to eZine Articles and look up any Bing categories you like. You don't need any experience or to put in any effort. You can look for various articles that you can copy and paste, for instance in the business, entertainment, or news categories. Simply select every word, copy the entire article, paste them into the software prepostseo.com, click the Rewrite button, and everything will be rewritten into a completely new original article. This is a truly brilliant method for beginners to copy and paste articles and begin earning money online. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.